One of the new inventions that we have just launched is something we call Clarity Logic.
Clarity Logic is probably the most exciting technology I've worked on since I've been here. We set out to solve the problem of a senior getting a new phone and struggling perhaps to set up some of the advanced features in our telephone. Even though the products are simple, we wanted to come up with a way to make it even easier if somebody has a problem. It's a technology inside the telephone and a matching technology here at Clarity that allow us to send special signals to the telephone from our customer service center and read the settings that exist in the telephone and then to modify those settings, to help push a button, to help program a memory location for that senior that maybe isn't comfortable sitting down reading a user guide and figuring it out for themselves. We can do it with a touch of a button when they call our special 1-800 number and say, "I've got a Clarity telephone, I'd like some help." Clarity Logic will enable us not only to get in the phone and make changes to settings that a customer might be having a problem with, but it allows the caregiver in our next generation of products to participate in that. A son or a daughter can use Clarity Logic technology via the internet to make those changes themselves. And it's going to allow a caregiver or a son or a daughter in a caregiving situation to be more connected to some of the daily life challenges that that senior might have.
We can make it measure the temperature in your home, and if the temperature goes below a certain level or above a certain level, we can send an SMS to your loved ones.
Imagine a world where a senior can't master a computer or doesn't have the interest to master a computer, but a text message or an email from a son or a daughter or a grandchild, perhaps with an accompanying photo, can pop up on the screen of their telephone.
Our mission is to make sure that seniors can maintain a decent lifestyle, even when they start to get challenged with all the stuff that happened to all of us when we grow older.
So Clarity Logic really opens a lot of doors for us because it enables the features that are going into mobile telephones, into complicated hearing aids, to be incorporated into our phones. We're always going to strive to make that product as simple as possible, but if a senior has a problem, Clarity Logic is always there to step up and get them through that setting or that adjustment that they might have had trouble with. And in the process, we're going to bring the benefits of better technology and better living to that person.